Hi guys, my name is JP and thank you for visiting my blog. Kung isa ka ring network marketer tulad ko, I'm sure naranasan mo na rin yung paulit-ulit na rejections from our prospects. I'm sure naranasan mo na yung hindi ka na nire-replyan, yung iniiwasan ka na, yung tipong pinagtatawanan ka na, inaasar-asar ka na, no? But okay lang yan, no? It's part of the game, no? Isa yan sa mga magpapatibay din sa atin sa negosyo nito. But if there's a way to attract prospects, no? If there's a way na hindi na natin kailangan maghabol-habol sa mga prospects this time, I'm sure mas maganda yon. No? Ako nag-invest ako ng pera to learn those stuff. To learn kung paano gawin ng tama at effective itong network marketing business natin nowadays. Okay? So, kung willing ka rin matuto, willing din akong i-share sa iyo yung mga natutunan ko. No? I'm giving away 5 lessons on how you can be a magnetic marketer. So, all you have to do is to leave your name and email address at masisimulan mong makuha yung mga lessons na yun. Basahin mo yung mga lessons na yun and you will find out bakit ka nare-reject. You will find out also kung paano mo sila i-attract this time. Okay? So, again, leave your name and email address and you will start receiving those lessons. Okay? Good luck, my fellow networkers, and let's all be successful with network marketing.